Mynyddoedd yn y pellter a choed gwyrdd ffrwythlon islaw wrth i Efa sefyll ar draphont tra'n syllu i'r pellter. Mae'n camu ffwrdd o wal y draphont ac mae'r geiriau Efa was here 2020 wedi ei sgwennu ar lechen. Mae'n tynnu ffelt pen o'i bag a chroesi'r geiriau allan. Yn y pellter, mae Max, Rory a Rhodri yn croesi'r draphont ac maent yn mynd at Efa.
Yo, future girl! Future girl! It is her.
Why didn't you answer?
Sorry, my phone was off. Why?
Why? You've gone bloody viral, that's why.
Yeah, you're everywhere. Future girl, that's what they're calling you.
Sut? Sain deall? There's more. Anyone asking about me?
Not asking about you.
What? What is it? What video?
Max yn ateb galwad fideo.
Max, you with Eva? She's not answering. Eva!
Eva, you're bloody everywhere.
Have you seen it?
Have you seen you talking about me? You. But not you talking to Max.
Talking about you? What is she on about?
Just show her.
Rhodri yn chwarae'r fideo drwy ei ffôn.
I'm trying to get to Blind Fyddai'r in time. Max, if I don't get home, tell Alicia the Swansea in 30 years will blow her mind.
That's her. She's there. That's our Eva. She's in your time.
Told you.
What does she mean? You mean about Swansea?
Fyddai'r.
Yeah, well, that's what she said. But why then?
I don't know, but I've got to get there too.
No, hold on. This could be massive.
All right, yeah. Speak later, is it?
But have you seen how far that is? That's like north, like proper gogledd, you know.
Why? Why?
My nan. She had to answer a message from Eva.
Wait, the man in the video in the market.
Yes. And he said, if I want to get back, I have to go to Blind Fyddai'r. So.
Oh my God, it's the same place Thomas, the blogger, he lives there.
Well, you're lying.
He said it's my only chance.
Okay. So what do we do now?
What else can I do? I have to get there. No, it's okay, you don't have to come too.
Yeah, we do, actually. That's where our Eva's trying to get to.
And?
And if you guys are gonna like switch back or whatever, then when she gets back, she's gonna need us. We need to be there for both of you.
This is pretty amazing, Eva. Like, you would have seen the future twice. Like, as you and you, but you know, like, our you. But bro, this is massive.
No, it's not. It's bad. If that video has gone viral, if people know, then they'll want to find out all that I know. Companies, the government, just think what they can know, what they can find out. I can't see it. I can't see it. I can't see it.
Don't worry. We'll figure it out. Won't we?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Fine.
Maent yn dechrau cerdded cyn sefyll yn llonydd a syllu. Mae grŵp o bobl hŷn mewn dillad lliwgar allan am dro ac maent yn mynd at Efa ei ffrindiau ac estyn ei breichiau. Mae pawb yn cerdded rhwng ei gilydd ac yn gafael breichiau fesul un a throelli'n araf megis dawns ysgafn, cyn symud ymlaen i gyfarch a dal braich rhywun newydd. Breichiau a chyrff di-wyneb yn ymgysylltu a throelli. Mae Efa'n dal braich menyw sy'n ei throelli a'i thynnu ffwrdd o bawb cyn iddi afael yn dyn i ysgwyddau Efa a'i gosod yn yr unfan. Maent yn syllu yn ddwys i lygad ei gilydd, anadlu'n ddofn a chofleidio'n dyn. Mae Efa'n camu ffwrdd o bawb ac yn edrych yn ôl arnynt o bell, cyn i Rhodri, Rory a Max ymuno gyda hi. Awn yn agosach at y lechen ac mae Efa wedi croesi allan Efa Was Here 2020 a sgwennu The future is here. Wrth i'r pedwar fynd i adael a dechrau eu taith i Flaen y Ffestiniog, mae criw mawr o bobl ifanc yn rhedeg dros y draphont tra'n chwifio darnau o ddefnydd coch. Maent wedi hongian baner anferth dros ochr y draphont sy'n dweud mae'r dyfodol yma, the future is here. Maent yn dawnsio'n fuddigoleithus uwch ben y faner tra'n chwifio ei defnydd coch, ac awn yn bellach ac yn bellach allan sy'n dangos maint anferthol y draphont gyda Merthyr Tudful y tu ôl iddo a'r gwyrddni sy'n ei gwmpasu.